having a deep understanding of the words you use is also, I think, really important, right? I used to be so upset when people would say, perfectionism, because I'm like, I don't think I'm perfect. I don't even want everything to be perfect. I just want it to be great, because I would never use the word perfect. But what people mean when they say that is standards that are unattainable by way of your thinking. So if you're thinking this black and white way that has no room for nuance, but you have a standard that to achieve is incredibly nuanced, you are never going to get there. And that perfect is what they're referring to, but I had no understanding of what perfectionist meant. It's just something people said to me, and I'm like, okay, I don't believe in that, so whatever. Never mind the fact that I had all the other things going on. So a real deep, philosophy style definition of the words that you use in relation to who you are as a person, in relation to who you are in your productivity. If you can really dig deep and find a definition of those words, even if you think they only apply to you at the time, I find that it's a lot easier to take on the world in that sense. Being like, well, my definition of standards is this, that, and the other. And so when someone's like, we're not really meeting the standard that we set, that doesn't really mean a lot to me. Or I understand why they're saying that, but that's not where I'm at, and I don't want to do that. Those sorts of differentiations, rather than just taking on the meaning of everything because you want everyone to like you and like what you're doing, those things are really helpful.